Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can run Docker commands without a need of sudo privilege. If you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Let's begin. In case you have an ops team that will manage your Docker containers, but without giving them sudo privileges, you can create a users for the ops team and add it to Docker group so they can execute commands without having sudo access. So since I have a sudo access, so let's do a sudo bash and let's try adding a user. So let's say from the operations team, yeah, but we will not give them a sudo access. So let's try to add a user. So let's sudo add user ops team 1. And then let's provide a password, retype the password, full name, ops team per se, and then yes. So if you check the home directory, there is now the ops team 1. So let's check. So, mm, so next is to add the ops team 1 user to Docker group. So do as user mod g docker ops team 1. Yep, we just added the ops team 1 within the Docker group. So let's check ID ops team 1. So yeah, it's under the Docker group. So let's try using that user ID. So let's do a su minus and then ops team 1. So as you can see, the user ops team 1 is now showing here. So let's do a sudo. Let's try using a sudo ls minus la/root and then the password. I'm expecting that it will show an error message. So yes, so since the ops team 1 user doesn't have a sudo access, then we will get this error message. So let's try accessing the Docker, right? So Docker PS, as you can see, without sudo access, the ops team user can execute Docker commands. So let's say Docker container ls, it's the same command as above, Docker version. So the ops team doesn't need to have a sudo access. Yep. Let's exit out and exit. Now we're back to our user ID. In my future tutorial, I will show you how to install Docker in multiple servers using the Ansible playbook. That's all for now. Thank you.